Hi everyone, Fraser with you, 123 here, but not in my room. I'm in a different room, and that's because due to only having one light bulb left, and it's hard to make videos when it's not very light. So till further notice, we will be doing videos in a different room. So with that being said, let me get on to my topic. Today's topic is Apple's Lightning USB cable. For those who own an iPhone of any kind from the 5th iPhone 5 to the 6S Plus to the 6S, a lot of people are having issues with these Lightning ports. Now I'm going to show you. Notice this does not look good. Even taped, this port is bent. It is not stable. So why is that? Well, because there is a defect in these cables. You look on Apple's review website, this cable has a dangerously low rating of only 1.5. And the reviews are almost 2,000 hours. So anyway, do not attempt to, if you have a warranty, please take it in because it will stop charging on you. I went through 2 of these cables and I'm about to go on my third one. Luckily, I already got a new one that is not Apple's. It is a Walgreens brand cable, but the difference is this looks a little stronger and I think it will last. But this cable, on the other hand, is not, I don't think it will last more than another year, or even less. So, just let me say, be careful with your lightning cables and use them with caution. Look for bubbling up and unusual tearing, because that's the sign that the cable is going to go out on you. Take it into Apple immediately for a replacement if you are under a year warranty. So just thought I'd bring up this topic for everyone who has an iPad or iPhone who has had this issue. So with that, Fraser with you, 123, Dawn.